Why financial advisors are still getting Bitcoin all wrong. The problem nobody's talking about. What if I told you the very people you trust with your money might be ignoring the biggest financial revolution of our time? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what's happening. And it could cost you big. Financial advisors, yes, the experts we rely on to guide our financial futures, are being left behind as Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies reshape the world of money. If you're not paying attention, you could miss out too. But before you hit pause thinking this is just another crypto hype video, let me ask you this. What do tulips, beanie babies, and Bitcoin have in common? According to some advisors, they're all equally worthless. Let's dive into the truth. Despite Bitcoin repeatedly breaking records, the majority of financial advisors are steering clear of the conversation. A recent survey revealed that less than 3% of advisors have ever recommended cryptocurrency to clients. Why? Because many still see Bitcoin as nothing more than a passing trend, a modern-day tulip mania. Jim Crider, one of the few financial planners who recommends Bitcoin, says his peers think it's all nonsense. But here's the catch. Clients are starting to demand it. In fact, as Bitcoin's legitimacy grows, advisors who refuse to adapt are at risk of losing clients to those who are willing to embrace this change. Think about it. Would you trust someone to manage your money if they ignored one of the most talked about assets of the decade? But the resistance to Bitcoin isn't just about skepticism. It's about something much deeper. Let's talk about what's really holding them back. Bitcoin isn't just intimidating for first-time investors. Even seasoned financial advisors find themselves scratching their heads. Why? Because it's not just a currency, it's a whole new technology. Alex Shahidi, a respected investment officer, says most advisors avoid Bitcoin because they don't have the time or the will to climb that learning curve. And with many affiliated with institutions that outright ban discussing crypto, their hands are tied. Ever tried explaining blockchain to your grandma? Now imagine doing that for every client, daily. Yeah, it's not a surprise they're hesitant. But here's the kicker. Independent advisors, free from institutional restrictions, are starting to soften their stance, at least on Bitcoin. Why? Because they see where this is heading. And that's where things get interesting. Could Bitcoin actually help you diversify and protect your wealth? Let's look at the facts. Charles Zhang, one of America's top-rated financial advisors, has started suggesting Bitcoin, but only in moderation. For clients with high net worth, he recommends allocating up to 1% of their portfolio to Bitcoin as a hedge. For conservative investors, gold might still be the safer choice. But for risk takers, Bitcoin is a way to diversify in a rapidly changing financial world. With regulatory clarity improving and ETFs making Bitcoin more accessible, this asset is no longer just for tech enthusiasts. As Zhang says, once advisors feel comfortable, the entire financial landscape could shift. Here's the truth. Ignoring Bitcoin could mean missing out on an asset that's shaping the future of money. But blindly diving in without understanding it is just as dangerous. So, where does that leave you? Whether you're a crypto skeptic or someone curious about dipping their toes in, one thing is clear. Staying informed is your greatest asset. If you want to see how small steps today can lead to massive gains tomorrow, check out this video next. Trust me, understanding the power of compounding will completely change how you see your financial future. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with anyone who needs to hear it. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a wealthy, informed future together.